decision was made in the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in which the Biden administration had tried to weigh in on social platforms that were giving a narrative of the COVID epidemic that was not in line with what Pfizer and their political allies wanted to say. Traditionally we have a First Amendment in this country, and we expect decisions to be made based upon a free exchange of ideas. We beat people in the court of in the court of public opinion. We don't say, the government shouldn't weigh in and say, we're not going to let people who disagree with us have a public platform. The Biden administration chafes at the idea of free speech. They wanted to get only their way in dealing with the pandemic, and they decided to restrict free speech here in America. That should scare anyone to death, that we elected a president of the United States who wanted to restrict free speech. And another thing that really concerned me about that, in an article about it, the New York Times, which was, I think, by some people in this body still viewed as an important paper, said the court decision, which was a slapdown of the Biden administration, was a victory for conservatives. In other words, today, the people in New York Times, the people who write for the New York Times, have said that upholding free speech is something conservatives do, implying it's not something that progressives or Democrats or liberals or whatever you want to do. This is a scary thing.